Good morning, class. By the way, I am your English teacher, Teacher Freddy Jr. El Parado, or you can call me Teacher Fred. How are you today? It's nice to hear that all of you are safe and sound. Before we proceed with our new discussion, everybody please stand, let us pray. May I ask Jubel to lead our prayer. Thank you, students. We will now take your seat. Once again, have a blessed morning to all. Today, I am very much delighted to see all of you ready for our class discussion. Before I continue, let me check first the attendance. When I call your name, can you say active? Cuevas? Rosales? Well done. It's great to know that everyone is presently active. Now, before we are going to proceed our new topic for today, let's have first a recap about our previous lesson. This morning, our lesson will be about types of propaganda technique. You should be able to identify the propaganda techniques through the given text and advertisement. And recognize the importance of analyzing the intention of words or expressions used in propaganda technique. And last, create an advertisement using a specific propaganda. Class, before we proceed to our discussion, first let's have a game entitled Your Tagline Sounds Familiar. Can you read the game mechanics? Mark? Thank you, Mark. Class, are the mechanics clear? Count your numbers 1 to 3 for our topics. Okay, let's start. Are you ready? First, we have the tagline. We find ways. What do you call this TV commercial? Yes, very good. It is video. Okay, let's proceed to the second one. What do you call this TV commercial? Yes, exactly. It is product. Okay. Well, last, let's proceed to the third one. It's finger letting go. Yes, it's correct. It is activity. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. The milk taste ever. So, what comes from your mind when you heard the milk taste ever? So, yes, very good. It is a Nescafe Cremua. The milk taste ever. So, last, let's proceed. The last one, bitter steel removal in one wash. So, if you see in this commercial, what comes from your mind? So, yes, John, very good. It is an Ariel. So, very good. Each group of you have a correct answer. So, give yourself a round of applause. Since everyone got the correct answer, I will give you 100 points each group of you. So, now, what do you see about the activity we had? Yes, good job. Those are commercials. So now, based on the activity, based on the activity we had, what do you think is our topic for today? Excellent. So, our topic for today is all about propaganda techniques. Every time you hear the word propaganda, what comes to your mind? Exactly. Moreover, propaganda is the spreading of information with the purpose of influencing feelings or actions. Remember, it's not so important whether the information is true or false. or if the causes is just or not, it's all propaganda. Propaganda is always biased and can be negative or positive. Today, we are going to discuss the 5 propaganda techniques. Everybody read the first technique. Let's understand with an example. Coca-Cola has used bandwagon propaganda in their marketing campaign to create a sense of community and social acceptance around their brand. The Share a Coke campaign is a great example of this by personalizing their bottles and cans with popular names and prices. Okay, class, do you understand? Anyone from the class can provide an example of bandwagon? Yes, Gomez? How about you, Controlion? Very well. Now, let's proceed to the second type of propaganda techniques. Testimonial. Testimonial propaganda is a content marketing strategy that utilizes customer testimonials to promote products or service. Businesses to reach their target audience in a more meaningful manner, in which a famous person or celebrity endorse the product to give testimony and influence the people. Are you still with me, everyone? Great. Now, who can give me an example of testimonial propaganda? Yes, Robelin. Wow, good job. Okay. Okay, class, let's give her an Indonesia clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Now, let's continue our discussion. The third type of propaganda is plain folk. The technique of plain folks takes the concept of real people and uses it as an aspirational tool. It seeks to convince an audience that a certain product is perfect for the average person or that a political is a regular Joe just like them. A famous example of plain folks propaganda is the I Like Egg presidential campaign of Dwight D. Eisenhower in 1952. Okay, class, do you understand what is plain folks? Very good. It seems that you are interested in our topic. Keep it up. Next, let's talk about name calling. Who among from the class have an idea what is a name calling in propaganda? Yes? Yes, Jubel? Precisely. Great answer. So, name calling is a that utilizers technique uses insult to call out the perceived deficits of the competition or the opposing side. This name calling can resort to the use of stereotypes and slurs. The well-known example of name calling propaganda is versus PC. So, by this time, let's talk about the last type of propaganda techniques. The fair appeals. The agenda behind these types of propaganda, ads, and messages is to scare people into taking the desired action. An example of fair appeal propaganda could be a skincare brand that promotes their producer as the only solution to preventing skin cancer. Finally, we are done with our discussion. Do you have any clarification class regarding of the types of propaganda techniques? So, very good. So now let's have an activity entitled of Where Do I Belong? Okay class, this time I want you to think and observe the given pictures under your chairs. In a one-half sheet of paper, write your reaction and interpretation regarding these images. I have here a video presentation, so listen attentively because after this video, I have some questions. Plus, after you watching a video, what did you observe in the presented commercial? Yes, very good. Did the commercial affect you in a different ways? What do you think is the purpose of the video that you have watched? Did the commercial persuade or encourage you to buy or patronize their product? Okay class, we have another activity. Activity 4 titled TikTok Battle. Congratulations everyone for a job well done. Give yourself a bumbok tap. Finally, we are already done with the discussion about propaganda techniques. Do you have any question, class? So it means you really understand the lesson, right? I think you are now ready to have your last activity for today. Identify the type of propaganda technique used in the following pictures or images. Write the letter of your answers on one-fourth sheet of paper. Okay, class, for our additional activities, activity 6, print and advertisement. Directions: create your own advertisement with a brand name, images, logo, and tagline. You can use any propaganda technique of your desire. You can use any application or website to edit your work. Size must be 8.5 by 11 in portrait or landscape. Thank you class for your participation. You did a lot of work today. Bye class and see you tomorrow.